Hello dear viewer, trust me when I say this. There are a lot of techniques that can be used to hack any of your online accounts. No matter how clever you think your password is, hackers will find a way to undermine it. The most popular one is by trying to crack a hashed password. That's if the attacker has obtained a set of hashed passwords. Well, if you don't know about hashed passwords, then I need you to pay attention. Password cracking is the process of extracting passwords from the associated password hash. A well-designed password-based authentication system doesn't store a user's actual password. These passwords are stored in a hash format, which is the result of sending the password, and a random value called a salt, through a hash function. This would make it hard for a hacker or a malicious insider to gain access to a user account on the system. Storing these passwords in hashed formats is not entirely safe from hackers. A hacker can attempt to gain unauthorized access if he has a list of hashed passwords by trying to crack them on his machine, without setting off alerts generated by repeated failed login attempts. An attacker may use a brute force attack or dictionary attack against the hash files, and may be successful depending on the password strength. Password strength is the measure of a password's efficiency to resist password cracking attacks. The time to crack a password is related to bit strength, which is why security experts advise individuals to use a password that is longer, complex and unpredictable, at least 15 characters. You can also use unique passwords for each account to reduce the danger from data breaches. Have a mix of numbers, uppercase and lowercase letters, and also special symbols to make it hard for hackers to crack the hash password.